How to use the rotoscoping effect in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video clip you want to work with. Then drag the clip onto the timeline. Next, go to the effects panel and search for rotoscoping. Once you find it, drag and drop the rotoscoping effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now you will see rotoscoping settings appear in the effects panel. Click on the project monitor screen to start drawing a marks around the subject you want to isolate or highlight. After you finish drawing the shape, press enter. This will create the marks that defines the area to be kept visible or hidden. If needed, you can invert the marks or feather the edges for a smoother blend. These options are available in the rotoscoping settings. Now you know how to use the rotoscoping effect in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.